Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use user input to open a text file, and we're going to read the text file using Slurp. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start up here and create a path to the desktop where my text file is located. So see, users mark desktop. So that's the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different from that, so you will have to find yours, or else if you simply type in this, it won't work for you. CHDIR, change directory. So we're going to change directory to this path because that's where our file is located. Okay, we're going to create a subroutine now called read file. And going to create a scalar variable called open file. And this is where we get our user input, so we assign it to prompt, which will grab the input from the user, which the user will type into this box here, and we just tell them what to do. File name, so they know that they need to type in a file name here when they get the prompt. Now we come on to the conditional, the if statement. So if open file .io input output .f is a file, we're going to tell the user what we're going to do. Say opening file. Okay, and then I'm going to use sleep here, which will pause it. So I'm going to put 1 in here, which means 1 second. If I put 2 in, it would mean 2 seconds. If I put 100 in, it would mean 100 seconds. Okay, so we've done that stage. All we've got to do now is create my scalar file name. I'm going to assign it to Slurp and scalar open file. So we're going to read from it. We're going to open it and read from it here, and we print out the contents by say scalar file name. Okay, and we've got a catch-all here called else. So else, if anything else, if that doesn't happen or something goes wrong, we use the catch-all and we print it out by saying say. And we're going to interpolate this open file, which is going to print the name of the file here that we typed into the prompt box, and a little message doesn't exist. That's wrong. Okay. Now we're just going to save it, and to run the program we need to call it. So we call it by its name, and it's called read file. Then we save it again, and down here is the terminal. So to run this in a terminal, in a Windows terminal, we type in Raku test.raku, because that's the name of the program. And let's run it, shall we? Okay, file name. So let's go on my desktop. File name is open. So that's going to be open.txt. Hit enter. There you go. Thank you for opening me. So there you go, people. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.